Voiceover. Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Before we dive headfirst into the sea of fantastic deals this Black Friday, we have an important reminder for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below. That's your gateway to some of the hottest Black Friday deals on the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to snag one of the most powerful storytelling tools at an unbeatable price. So, grab your shopping list, get comfortable, and let's get the ball rolling on this Black Friday shopping extravaganza. The fourth Friday of November, a day marked with anticipation and excitement. It's Black Friday, a tradition that kicks off the holiday shopping season with some of the biggest discounts and deals of the year. And today, we're focusing on an offer that is sure to capture your attention. The GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is more than just a camera. It's a powerful storytelling tool that packs a punch in a compact form. With its improved image quality, every snapshot and video you capture is a vibrant and clear memory. Whether you're hiking a mountain trail, diving into azure seas, or exploring your own backyard, the Hero 12 Black ensures you won't miss a single moment. But it's not just about the image quality. The GoPro Hero 12 Black also boasts video stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth, professional-grade videos. Whether you're biking on rugged trails or chasing after your energetic toddler, your videos will be as steady as if they were shot on a tripod. Battery life is another impressive feature of the Hero 12 Black. Longer battery life means more time for capturing those unforgettable moments. And when you're done for the day, the camera automatically uploads your footage to the cloud. It even creates highlight videos for you, saving you time in editing. Now, with Black Friday upon us, it's the perfect time to invest in the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This Black Friday deal is a golden opportunity to get your hands on this incredible device at a fraction of the cost. Imagine having the power to capture high-quality images and videos with the added bonus of video stabilization and extended battery life, all in your hands and all for less. So why wait? Black Friday is here and the GoPro Hero 12 Black is calling your name. It's more than just a camera, it's your next adventure waiting to be captured. The world is full of stories. Start telling yours with the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Don't forget, adventurers, make sure to check out the link provided in the description below to grab the best Black Friday deals on the GoPro Hero 12 Black. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment into capturing high-quality memories of your next epic adventure. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Wishing you happy shopping and even happier filming.